Oh man, that's foggy. Alright guys, we made it out here on the lake. It is super foggy. I'm gonna move my truck and then I'll see you guys on the water. Just give me just 1 second, I'll see you on the water. Alright, so they're not biting topwater. They're not biting moving baits. We'll see if they'll bite a Senko. Oh, missed one on the Senko. Alright, here we go. We're going to change gears. Alright, so we're going to change gears real quick. We're going to move on to the swim jig. There's one on the swim jig. Come on, boy. There he is. Boom. Come on. Alright, so I wasn't recording, but I caught this little jewel on a swim bait. Oh, fella. Alright, well, time to get a new hook. That one's broke. Come on now. Stop playing around, boy. You done? Ah, there we go. There he is. Look at that dude. He mad as hell too. See you, buddy. Oh, almost fell in. Alright, so now that I have my... Now we got the hook situation taken care of. I want to talk. I know I don't do a whole bunch of talking on here, but I want to show you guys exactly what I'm fishing with. It's just a belly weighted swim bait hook. I don't even know the weight. I think it's an 1/8 ounce, maybe a quarter. I'm not sure. Yeah, just a belly weighted swim bait. And this is the swim bait I'm using. It's the Reaction Innovation Skinny Dipper in Houdini color. And all I'm doing with it's flipping the bait. That's it. The good thing about using this belly weighted swim bait hook is you can flip it in almost anywhere because it's pretty much weedless. Won't get snagged on anything for the most part. I mean, you're gonna get an occasional hang up every now and then, but for the most part it's good to go. Alright, for this little setup right here, I'd like to thank my buddy Chris Hogan. He's the one that showed me this. He's the one that turned me onto these little skinny dippers. I appreciate it, buddy. We got to figure these fish out. They're not wanting to chase anything. They're not wanting to eat it unless it falls right in front of their face. There he is, 5-hour fish. Alrighty. This sucks. Oh, when they're not biting a Senko, they're not biting. Ooh, I caught one. Whoops. I don't know why I hit the stop record button, but I caught one. Look at there. He's a monster. Easy, fella. There we go. Big Daddy number 2. I'm everything in between the honey, you sing it loud. Hallelujah, coming home. You feed your addiction with your crystal meth, and I bleed for your life as it takes you to your death. You make your deal with the devil. I like $2 beers, I like $3 wells, and some old honky-tonk bar. I know by the smell, some old drunk on the bar stool on a Merle Haggard tune. Right, we made it home. I know you guys like to know what I'm using. I see your comments, I read every comment, I appreciate your comments, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw it out there before we end the video. This is the main rod and reel I was using. This is the favorite Whitebird Heavy. It's the 7.2 Heavy. I was fishing this, you saw it, swim bait with the belly weighted swim bait hook. This is the Shimano KS reel. It's in a 7:3 to 1 gear ratio. And I'm using Seaguar Invisex 20-pound fluorocarbon. This is the main one I caught the fish on today. Works good. And the other one that I was using is the favorite Defender. It's the Lunkers TV edition. And this is a 7.3 extra heavy, and all I was doing was flipping this swim jig. That's it. Just flipping the swim jig, hopping it a couple times, slow rolling it back in. It's on the 13 Fishing Inception. It's a 6.6 to 1 gear ratio with Invisex 20-pound fluorocarbon. Hold on, somebody's at my door. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Appreciate you guys watching. If you want to know more about what I'm using or how I'm using it, just drop a comment and let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer every question you have. Any question you got, just leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer it the best I can. So yeah, appreciate it. See you guys tomorrow.